It's an exciting day here, guys. We have a brand new snake that just arrived, and we're gonna unbox it. Now, what's really cool about this snake is it is from a very well-known corn snake breeder. This is from South Mountain Reptiles. The breeder is Don Soderberg, and he is very well known in the corn snake community. So I'm like, really excited to have one of his corn snakes. Don has been breeding corn snakes for over 45 years. He even owned a pet store for quite a bit of time, and he is the founder of the Tessera corn snake, the pied-sided, and the palmetto mutations. I guess there was a wild palmetto found in the wild. He was able to acquire it and breed it and prove that it was a dominant genetic trait. And now you see palmettos at reptile shows. Same with tesseras and pied-sideds. Those all came from him. Those all came from her same breeder. So we're gonna open this up. Inside should be a scaleless corn snake that is also reverse Okatese. So it's gonna be a beautiful snake. Check this out. He even has his like own boxes and own stickers to go on the boxes. That's really cool. Okay, here we go, guys. I cannot wait to meet this girl. This time of year, your new pets may arrive feeling cold to the touch. Whether or not we use temperature compensators in shipping, allow them to warm up to room or cage temperatures gradually. That's really cool that he puts that in there. Aw, that's a great touch. That's awesome too, because you know, people will sometimes take a cold reptile and put it on heat to warm it up, and then they go into shock. Aw, here we go, his card. Nice, beautiful palmetto on there too. I like that card. Here we go. Oh, cool. Got another card, and there she is. Wow, she is so beautiful. She's so bright. Here we go. Okay, we've got all their information on there. Date of hatch. Oh, cool. Oh, they have her serial number. Scaleless A-male. Scaleless A-male. Reverse Okatese. Hi. Whoa, you are so much brighter than the scaleless we've been hatching. You are beautiful. Wow, look at that pattern.
This is full corn.
That's right. Yeah, this is completely corn snake. No rat snake, I guess. Oh, I cannot wait to be working with this.
Yeah, she's got like a yellow tongue.
Does she?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Don't touch me.
Oh, I gotta tail her. There's a tiny little tongue too. Can you come here? Hi.
Like, no, I don't want to be handled.
You are so little. Hi, look at that slender face. Like a really slender face. I wonder if that's the corn snake, since we're so used to rat corns.
Yeah, we're used to rat corns.
Wow. That's such a tiny little tongue. Do you see that, guys? Oh, little baby tongue flicks. You're super cute. I don't see a single scale on her except for her belly scales. Can you see any?
Not on here.
No, I don't see a wow. This has got to be the best example of a scaleless corn or rat snake I think I've ever seen. Usually they still have like a single row of scales down their back, at least the ones that we've bred. Some of them have mostly no scales, but then again, they usually have some on the head too. And I don't see any on her head. Oh man. Okay, she's gonna be fun to raise out. She seems really healthy too, really alert. Oh cool, you can even like, you can see her heart.
Yep.
Yeah. Look guys, can you see her heart beating? Check it out, see that dark spot? That's totally her heart. Ah, that's one of the weird yet cool things about scaleless snakes. Haha, cool. I like the yellow dots down her back. So wrinkly. What should we name you? Should we name you Wrinkles? Nah, you need a better name than that. Guys, I don't know what to name this beautiful girl. Tell me in the comments what I should name her, and I'll see what you come up with. What else have we got in here? Oh, there's more stuff. What? Did he send us a pen with his... Oh, nice. Rodent Pro pen. He must use Rodent Pro.
Nice.
And then we have another card from him down here. I would love to see his breeding facility.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Wouldn't it?
Maybe we'll have to set something up if we're ever in Texas.
That'd be so cool.
See some of his adult breeder palmettos.
Yeah. Can you imagine a scaleless palmetto? Oh, I don't know. Has that ever been created? I don't think that's ever been created.
No.
We're going to set her up in a quarantine bin just to be on the safe side. I don't think at all that she has anything wrong with her. She looks absolutely perfect in every way. But, you know, it's just our procedure. We quarantine to be safe.
It's always good for anybody to quarantine
Yep.
a new snake.
Yeah, even if you get a snake from us, it's good to quarantine it. That's just good practice. Wow, I'm so excited for her. But he didn't just send us this package with her in it. He sent us something else of his as well. He also sent us his book. This is like an all-inclusive guide to keeping corn snakes in captivity, and it covers everything from picking one out to enclosure setup, feeding and care, genetics and morphs, common health concerns, and even breeding them. This is a pretty well-known book from what I understand, and oh cool, he signed it. Did you see that?
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, he even signed it. That's awesome. Thanks, Don. But I'm really looking forward to, oh cool, it even talks about sexing them in here with like pictures of examples. I missed that. Huh. I've never heard this before. Breeders have had great success with reluctant feeders by forcing them to exercise. Apparently the resulting increase in metabolism can sometimes stimulate appetite. Let your snake repeatedly crawl from one of your hands to the other. Another way is to follow your corn snake around the room, but be careful, they can crawl under furniture in the blink of an eye. Food offerings shortly after such workouts are often productive. We might have to try that feeding trick with some of our picky eaters.
Yeah, will hog noses work that way?
Yeah, Don, let us know if this will work for hog noses. We have picky hog nose babies. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted. This is a really good book, though. If you guys are interested in it, you can go to cornsnake.net and purchase it there. You can also get the Kindle version on Amazon.
He also signed the back, too.
He signed the back, too?
Yeah.
Oh, there's a note in here. Aww. So yeah, if you want to learn about corn snakes before you get one of your own, I would highly recommend this book. We have flipped through it and read a bit of it so far, although apparently I've missed some things in here. But yes, definitely recommend this book. So although Don is known for several new mutations or having discovered new mutations in corn snakes, the one that we think is the most striking that he was the first to produce was the palmetto corn. The palmetto gene is a dominant trait, and there was one individual found in the wild that he was able to acquire, and then he bred it, and in case you... Oh man, that's really cracky. And in case you don't know what the palmetto gene looks like in a corn snake, this is a palmetto corn. This is one of the direct descendants of the original palmetto that Don got and bred. Turns out it's a dominant trait, he found out. This palmetto corn is not ours. We're just borrowing him to show you what they look like. His name is Zombie, because it looks like you can see his brain on his head, which is really cool. He belongs to our friends Nick and Danae, so thanks guys if you're watching. Thanks for letting us borrow Zombie. But yeah, this is a really cool gene. They're kind of new to the market, so they aren't included in Don's book because they're just that new of a morph, but they're really cool. Just a completely different color altogether than the wild type.
Almost like a cow retic.
Yeah, it is kind of like a cow retic, isn't it? I like it. So if you want a cow retic but in a corn snake size,
Palmetto.
get a palmetto corn.
Oh.
Oh, she is. Don't bite yourself. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Wow, she is sassy
You must
right
have
now.
scared her. It's okay, girl. So these two are both direct descendants from Don's snakes. We know he bred this beautiful scaleless corn, which we are so excited to have. She's really angry right now, though, aren't you? Wow, look at that S-curve. She is really poised for it. Wow, she's got an attitude today. My goodness, are you sassy?
It's funny because she's been calm like all the other times we went into like feed her and stuff.
Yeah, okay, so disclaimer, it's about a week after we got her. She's already eaten twice for us, but yeah, apparently today she woke up on the wrong side of the cave because she is not having it. But Zombie, on the other hand, which is another one of Don's animals, is doing great. Oh, she's looking at me now. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Before she tags us too much... Ow! Girl, it's okay. It's okay. It's that camera. Little sassy girl. We're gonna end this video. You're just staring right at me, aren't you? It's okay. We're gonna become friends. It'll be all right. Thank you, everyone, for watching. Thank you to the Patreon supporters for backing this channel. We are very much looking forward to watching this beautiful corn snake from Don Soderberg grow up. Again, if you're interested in one of his books, you can go to his website, cornsnake.net, and you can check out the other corn snakes he has available as well. I mean, if you're looking for a top-notch corn snake breeder, Don is like one of the top breeders. He's been in it for a very long time. He has a very strong reputation. And he has he produces some beautiful animals too. Thank you again, everybody, and thank you again, Dawn, for this beautiful girl, and we'll see you all next time.